In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient overlapping text with reflection in Canva, 5 minutes. First, log into Canva so you're on your home screen and ready to work. You can use any canvas size you like, but to keep things simple, open an existing design or create a new blank project so you have a clean workspace. Next, head to the left sidebar and open the Apps panel. In the search bar, type gradient, then select the app when it appears. This tool lets you create stylish gradient-filled text without extra plugins. Inside the Type Gradient app, enter the word or short phrase you want to style. Choose a bold, chunky font so the gradient has room to shine. Thick letter forms tend to look more premium and easier to read. Now pick your gradient colors and style. High contrast color pairs and diagonal or radial gradients often look great for this effect. Feel free to tweak the angle or color order until the letters look rich and dimensional. Add the generated text to your design and position it roughly where you want it. You can resize with the corner handles and keep it centered for easier alignment later. Before we build the reflection, download this text as a PNG with a transparent background. In the download panel, select PNG and make sure the transparent background option is on. This preserves clean edges and keeps the letters separate, which makes layering much easier. Upload that PNG right back into Canva. Drag it onto your canvas, then duplicate it so you have two identical copies. Select the duplicate, open position, and use the flip controls to flip it vertically. Move the flipped version directly below the original and align it carefully so the bottom edges touch. Zoom in and use your arrow keys for pixel-perfect placement. The two pieces should look like a mirror image. Lower the transparency of the flipped text until it reads as a natural reflection. Somewhere around a subtle faded look usually sells the effect. Adjust until it feels realistic against your background. To enhance the depth, go to Elements and search for Gradient Graphics or Corner Gradient. Choose a soft feathered gradient shape and place it behind the reflection layer. Adjust its size, angle, and transparency so it creates a gentle glow or shadow that fades out smoothly. If needed, use the Arrange controls to send it backward so the reflection remains on top. And that's it. Clean, gradient, overlapping text with a polished reflection all inside Canva. Save your design and you're ready to use it anywhere.